nice, little browning nice, little island thing. Teeth white when my smile and thing. Summer odds on my solo, like the man pon the polo. Time for get a island thing right now.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making garlic mashed potatoes with lamb chops. If you want to see this complete recipe, then keep on watching. Here's a quick overview of all the ingredients that you're going to need today. As always, everything is going to be down below in the description box for you. So we're starting out with our lamb chops. And here I have all the dry seasonings that I'm going to use. Fresh rosemary, garlic, olive oil, garlic salt, total seasoning, paprika, oregano leaves, black pepper, minced garlic. So I have 4 potatoes in total, and then this is the size that you're gonna need. You're also going to need butter, Parmesan cheese, heavy whipping cream, garlic salt with parsley, and minced garlic. And then lastly, I'm gonna be making green beans. So now I'm gonna go ahead and season the lamb chops. Like I said, this is all the dry seasonings that I'm gonna be using. What I like doing when I season any kind of meat that I cook is just to massage it in so it gets that flavor in there. Because if you just put it and it just sits right on top, it's just not gonna make no sense. Here I have my olive oil with the minced garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and just brush each piece of lamb chops with some of this. Just adding in some butter to my skillet. So while this melts down, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my fresh rosemary. Then I'm also gonna add in some chopped garlic. Alright, we're just gonna leave this to just melt down a bit. Now I'm just gonna add the lamb chops in to start getting done. I'm gonna just sear them on each side for about 5 minutes. Alright, so I'm just gonna turn the lamb chops over to the other side. And then as you can see, that's like getting seared really nicely. I'm just gonna leave this on this side for about 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn these over one more time just to get a little bit more seared. And then our lamb chops are gonna be done. Our lamb chops are basically all done. As you can see, that nice seared flavor with all the garlic and the rosemary and the butter and everything. So this is the same skillet that I used for the lamb chops, and just for the extra flavoring, I'm gonna add my green beans in to saute them. The mixture from earlier, I'm gonna add a little bit over top. Alright, we're just gonna leave this and let it saute for about 5 minutes. So this has been sauteing for about 5 minutes. And as you can see, the color on one side started changing, so that means that it's searing through well. This is just a matter of your preference as well. If you like it more crunchy versus more cooked through, then you leave it for an additional 5 minutes. For the ending of this green beans, I'm just gonna use some lemon juice to add some zest and some flavoring. I'm just gonna squeeze it all over. Green beans are done. Now I'm just gonna work on the garlic mash, and then everything is complete. I have my boiling water here for the potatoes. Added a little bit of salt. For the mashed potatoes, I'm just going to use my masher. And just start mashing through. Using some butter, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. This is how everything's looking. So everything is looking nice and creamy. So what I'm gonna do next is just add in some garlic salt with parsley for some added flavor. Just combine that in. So that cheese, that heavy whipping cream, and all the flavors combined, you can see how good this looks. The garlic mash is all done. Now I'm about to plate everything and show you guys the complete meal. Here's the finished meal. We have our garlic and herbs lamb chops, garlic mashed potatoes, and green beans. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today while I made this delicious lamb chops and garlic mash. If you like this video, then definitely go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with the people you love, share it with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, whoever. And yeah, like I said, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So here is the finished meal again.